From tattoo artist to product manufacturer of Pro-Numb Tattoo Numbing Spray. Come on in the tattoo shop, I'll tell you how it happened. Bag's right there, tablet should be in there.
Oh, this is it, I think.
Yeah, there it is. All right, welcome to the tattoo shop. This is Reapside Tattoo. I've been tattooing for 15 years. I've owned 5 tattoo shops, and this one is in Melbourne, Florida. We had all the other studios in Spokane, Washington, so that was kind of cool. But yeah, this is where we're at now. We've won Best of Florida the last 3 years in a row. We've actually won Best of 25 as well. But yeah, I was too broke to buy the plaque. I wouldn't say too broke. I didn't want to spend the money on it. But anyways, here's my station now. I still tattoo every day too, so it's not like it's a thing that I'm hiding. And so now how I became the over-the-counter manufacturer of Pro-Numb Tattoo Numbing Spray was, again, I'm the maker of it. I had to start making it. After tattooing for years, I needed to come up with something that was actually going to keep my clients numb for the entire time that I was tattooing them. That way, I do a lot of 8-hour sessions, so that way I can get paid more. I like to make money like that. I like to make $1,000 a day if I could, so that was why we needed a better spray to keep our clients numb all day. But what I actually did was I bought all 14 of the tattoo numbing sprays and lined them all up. I don't have them here. I still use Bactine to clean the skin, but we lined them all up and we went through the ingredients to figure out what was actually working and what was not working, what was causing the skin irritation and all the problems for all of the tattoos that were having problems with the spray. People were having allergic reactions and stuff like that to the tattoo numbing spray. It's really bad. So we had to basically come up with a way. When I say we, I mean me and Paula, which is my wife, right? We had to come up with a way so that we could keep our clients number for longer. And so after buying them, we started researching all the chemicals. We basically sourced out our chemical supplier, and the one we use now is out of Georgia. Everything comes from the United States. We don't source anything from China. But we started pulling all of the actual ingredients and all the raw chemicals, and we started mixing and matching. And over about a year and a half of mixing and matching, submitting tests to the FDA, we came up with a formulation that we agreed on. We loved it, and we ran it. We tested that for about a year. A year later, again, we reformulated, and we, tested and learned. We learned things, how to time the prolongivity, how to get more numb, how to get less numb, how to get less red, how to get less sensitivity. There's a lot that goes into it, especially when it comes to not causing issues with the skin. That's the biggest thing. Is a tattoo is an open wound, so we need a lot of the ingredients to be super soft on the skin, and they can't be harsh, and they got to be able to be used on kids, adults, and the elderly folk with the skin. So being an organic chemist was the second step of that journey. So I became an organic chemist formulations. That's where it all started. Once we got that certification, we got that down. Once we got through the schooling of that was about another year. We're on year 3 now. We're about 3.5. So out of the 3rd year, we reached that. It was good. And then I went ahead and moved forward. I got my organic advanced formulation certification. That's where we're at now. So I was able to get a little bit more experience behind everything and actually figure out what was working, what wasn't working. So again, now we move forward. We have a full FDA registered lab here in Melbourne, Florida, where we actually make and manufacture Pro-Numb Tattoo Numbing Spray. And again, we have to be FDA compliant with that, GMP standards, all the fun stuff, so that you guys know you're getting an actual pure, good product every time. Now, a lot of the other brands out there don't do any of this. They're not going to test any of the products that they have. They certainly don't test the water or the raw ingredients, and that is the problem. That is the main reason why I have basically spent so much time where we're at trying to formulate the right product for tattoos. And originally, the whole gig and the whole thing is, again, for me and my clients. And then once Pro-Numb took off and people started realizing it works, and it works really well for tattoos, again, everybody followed suit, and then they started using it as a technical tool the same way that I use it for a technical tool. So really, people that use Pro-Numb don't use it to numb our clients. It's not like we super care about you guys. I mean, we do, but it comes down to being able to tattoo longer for more money, and that's about it. So that's the main thing. That's the main reason. And yeah, that's how I became an OTC producer for the FDA, and now I make tattoo numbing sprays for you guys here. That's it. My name's Justin Time. So